Concrete driveway, stained concrete patio, Knoxville, Tennessee. Our concrete driveway services. Concrete driveway installation. Concrete driveway repair and maintenance. Types of concrete driveway finishes. Poured concrete driveways. Stamped concrete driveways. Stained concrete driveways. Exposed aggregate finish. Paved driveway? Why hire us? Knoxville Concrete Contractors Company is a reputable concrete contractor in Knoxville, Tennessee area. Reliable concrete contractor. Competitive concrete driveway costs. High quality but affordable materials. Free cost estimates. Knoxville Concrete Contractors Company, 311 East Morelia Avenue, Knoxville, Tennessee 37917-5018, 865-328-2070, https://www.knoxvilleconcretecontractorscode.com/ 311 East Morelia Avenue, Knoxville, Tennessee 37917-5018, 865-328-2070.